YouTube, what is good? AB here representing GoodMuscle. You already know. That sounded just like freaking Chris Jones. I didn't mean to copy him. That sounded like exactly like Chris Jones. So I am back with a review. Right to it, like headphones, baby. Just a quick story. I've been using headphones out of the Lost and Found, and they were pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, they're not bad, but they're not holding a charge anymore, so I had to get some new ones, and I feel horrible because I was actually watching somebody's YouTube, and I don't even know his name, and I'm recording on my phone, so I can't look it up. But I was watching somebody's YouTube, and I came across these. At the time that the guy that I was watching recorded the video, these were like $16. I think I got these for like 18 and some change. So like I think with tax they were like 20 bucks. Mpow Sport Wireless Earphones. Boom. Okay. So, brand new. I haven't used them. I got these on like Wednesday. It's Saturday. I've been waiting to do this review so I could do like a total honest like unboxing of these guys. So let's do it. Okay. Taking it off here. Not bad. Pretty nice case. Pretty nice case. Pretty nice little box. If I could open it, you know, that'd be great. How the hell? Ah! Haha! Oh, sweet. So it comes with this little case. That's pretty nifty. I like that. Oh, dang, and everything's inside. Cool, so you get the headphones, some different size earbuds. Dude, 2 things on them. Dang. And then the charging cable. Nice. I like how it's got like a little, look at that little Ziploc baggie. So there's those guys. I might actually need these. We'll see. Okay. What else is in here? Important reminder. Looks like they got multiple things. Warranty policy, 45-day full refund and 24-month limited warranty. Little instruction manual. Don't think we'll need it, but so these are pretty sick actually. They feel like decent headphones, you know? Like usually when you grab headphones you're like, okay, these are definitely a piece of shit. These are, you know, they feel pretty sturdy. Let's see if they fit in my ears. Oh yeah, perfect, perfect. I've never had the headphones with like the little ear thing like that, so that's pretty nice. That's not too shabby. Okay, so I'm gonna switch angles here. Alright guys, so I'm going to pair, let's see if they have any juice actually. Ah, so you press the center button to turn them on. Power on. Let's see if I can find. Said my headset is connected. I have a full battery, dang. Alright, let's try these guys out. The sound adjuster works. Hey! Dang! Okay, so, wow, no way. So my first impression, they're comfortable. Mine came with a full battery. The sound quality is pretty freaking good. Like, no lie, I'm surprised. Way better than the ones that I have been using. Wow. There's some bass in these guys. It's noise canceling. Once you turn the music on, like, yeah, I couldn't hear anything. It's super loud. One issue I had with my other headphones, they weren't loud. I would turn it all the way up and it just wasn't very loud. I'm lifting heavy weights and banging stuff and, you know, I need loud music. I need my ears to ring. So these, first impression, amazing, amazing. Mpow, yeah, Mpow. 20 freaking bucks, guys. Worth it. I'm already stoked. And I will honestly definitely use this guy because I go to the gym a lot, obviously, because, you know, good muscle, like, we out here. So I throw my headphones in my gym bag, and my gym bag is not the cleanest or the smelliest. Good smelling place to be, so definitely gonna use that bag. Dang! Those are tight. I'm super happy. I was hoping they weren't average. Those are definitely sick. Amazon, 20 bucks. I'll put a link down below where you can find them immediately. Yeah, those are sick. Get a pair of those, guys. Those are freaking awesome. I am gonna use these here in a minute, actually. We'll see how long they last, but if my crappy lost and found headphones lasted for so long, I'm sure these will. Sound quality's great. Price is extremely low. Usually when you pay $20 for headphones, you get a real shitty pair of headphones. These ones are dope. Super happy with them. I hope you guys get something out of this. I hope it helps you make your decision. I say get them. I say spend the $20 on Amazon. Get the headphones. You won't be sorry. If you are sorry, I'm not responsible for that, but I highly doubt that you're not gonna like these for $20. So anyways, guys, there you have it. Boom. My new headphones. My new workout headphones. If you haven't subscribed, please, please, please subscribe. More good stuff coming. I'll do more reviews. Hopefully they'll be a little bit better. Yeah, more videos in the future. I'm doing a powerlifting meet coming up, and I'm having a buddy of mine, and he's gonna just record the whole weekend. So that'll be super dope. That's coming up. I think I'm gonna do a little bit more reviews on some products like bands and some supplement reviews coming up soon. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all the support. I really appreciate it. Make sure you leave a comment down below, good or bad. Good's better though. Yeah, thank you. Peace and love, everybody. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Peace.